This 2023 Newmar Bay Star 3408 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 34 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Burma Decor, Arctic Maple Glaze-MF Hardwood interior, sleeps 6, auxiliary battery, awning, Colorado Detector, slideout, air conditioning, Skylight, water heater, TV antenna, microwave, external shower, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2023 Newmar Bay Star 3408 is built on a Ford F53 26000 chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.